जवाबदारी और मतलब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को समझना और उसके बारे में बच्चों को बताना बहुत ज़रूरी है। हमको ऐसे लगता है कि ये हमारा जन सिद्ध अधिकार है, ये अर्थ हमारा है, हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं। हम अर्थ के अगर आप थोड़ा सा दृष्टिकोण को बदल दे तो बहुत चेंज होगा आपको। तो if you want change, you have to bring change. And I really believe that अभी भी देर हुई नहीं है पानी को लेकर।
आती तो रहिए
अगर आप बच्चे लेके आ सकते हैं। बच्चे आजकल बाहर जाके खेलते भी नहीं, अर्निंग भी नहीं होता। आप यू हैव टू कनेक्टेड टू दी अर्थ। जिस 5 तत्वों के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं, हमारे वैदिक हिस्ट्री में हम लोग उसको इतना इम्पोर्टेंस देते हैं। कहाँ हम उसको इतना इम्पोर्टेंस दे रहे हैं आज? सो इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट टू टीच योर चिल्ड्रन टू लीव द आईपैड, डिस्कनेक्ट, बी कनेक्टेड टू दी अर्थ। और सिर्फ एनवायरनमेंट डे के दिन ही इस बात को हम लोग, इसके बारे में हम लोग बात ना करते हुए कंटिन्यू करें इसको। वी हैव टू मेक इट अ लाइफस्टाइल। So bring awareness to yourself, to your children, and आज जो ट्री प्लांटेशन का ड्राइव है, ये एक मुहिम है एक अच्छे डायरेक्शन में। And they say you plant a tree today, it's hope for tomorrow. So we hope that we can see a better tomorrow. We see the climate change happening for the better.
This year's World Environment Day 2026. The capital, please raise the curtain. So all the work for the Bhavna Foundation, along with the DY Patil Classic School, we have the campaign called Bhumi Namaskar, and the Bhumi Namaskar is done through our tree plantation, through our beach cleanups, and all the other activities over the years that the Bhavna Foundation has been doing. Such an honor for us to come under the roof of DY Patil International School to do this noble ground. There is a ground just next to the school. We are planting more trees. It's hot, it's sunny. I won't say good morning, I say good hot morning. Now let's all plant the trees. Thank you. आप शायद अगली बार हमारे को बिना लोग better shade every tree every poor. Please dedicate every tree to your parents, to whoever you want to become, you want to plate them.
Firstly, Jai Kumar ji, Pankaj ji, Ritu ji, who has just left. Asif ji, thank you so much for inviting and all the amazing guests on the podium. Good luck.
Nice.
मतलब air quality अच्छी हो जाएगी. हाँ. No, I just think that we're all here to acknowledge and celebrate in advance World Environment Day, and for someone who is always talked about wellness, people think it's only about oneself and the body and the mind. But for me, I think it's not just about how we care for ourselves, it's also about how we think, how we live, and about the wellness in our environment. So I think it's so important to spread the word, and if I'm able to leverage my name to causes like this and play a catalyst in being able to make a difference. I think today we've decided on planting more trees. And I really believe that plants are our real heroes. They give us shade, oxygen, and they truly are going to last us a lifetime. And you can't undermine what that does to the climate, to our environment, and what better place than a school. So thank you, Pooja, for giving us your premises. I don't know where she's from. Yes, thank you. Very kind of you. I think once we understand that the earth doesn't belong to us and we belong to the earth, I think the shift will happen. to make small changes in our life by being mindful, being aware, being connected to the earth is truly the need of the hour. To be able to inculcate those values, in our future generation and in our kids, because I just feel that making small shifts at home, making sure that the water isn't running when they're brushing their teeth, switching off the lights when they leave the room. It's a constant bugbear with my 14-year-old at home, but a constant reminder, somewhere sowing the seed in their subconscious that this is an important change that we need to make. I think we will have to walk the talk and then they will follow suit. So I really believe that today's event is an important one for change, and I'm so
Being part of the foundation over the years, the Council General Brazil to please come on stage. We have Mr. Now can we present all this wonderful Yasmin Kalachwala ji? Hey D'Souza. Hey D'Souza ma'am. Humera Aziz ji, Hey D'Souza, I don't see him, sorry, but please come on stage wherever you are. Hey D'Souza ma'am to please come on stage. And Humera Aziz ji.
Nice, Mr. मेहनत एकदम।
अरे वाह, तुम लोग के लिए करना पड़ेगा।
Hi Behman, please come. You come from this side. This is better. You've been everybody's favorite over there. Come, please come, please come. लोग ज़्यादा है, stage छोटा है, but yes, this is actually this proves that everybody comes from all of the one group. So it's not about the place, it's about the contribution, what people are doing here for the environment. Behman, please join the gang here.
Thank you.
Sir, I'll give you the mic. We have Pankaja Tai here, so I will request Pankaja Tai to give a small momentum to Shilpa Shetty ji. A small momentum presented by Pankaja Tai and Jay Kumar Rawal ji. Pankaja Tai and Jay Kumar Rawal ji to please present a small momentum to Shilpa Shetty ji. Council General Brazil, a small momentum to be given by Jay Kumar Rawal ji. And then Hey D'Souza.
मॅडम इकडे बघा। मॅडम इकडे बघा। थैंक यू। साइड
Sophie Mary, I can see you. Power bank. Just here, please come on stage.
हाँ रवि भाई, रिपोर्ट लगा क्या फायदा?
क्या रवि भाई?
रिपोर्टर लोग का कंधा तोड़ा पड़ा।
रिनाउल वाले 6 लोग हैं भाई, वही लोग आज का काम खराब कर रहे हैं। बोला इतना बार 10 बार नीचे बैठ गया 6 नहीं 10 है भाई, 6 नहीं 10। हाँ तुम लोग की धक्का
नीति जी
शिल्पा जी चेहरा ही नहीं दिख रहा है।
Ajinkya ji, sir, please come here. Now we request the person who received the award kindly be seated so we can call the next awardees.
चलो नीचे आने दो।